Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use your hazard warning lights on your Audi A4 or S4 Avant car. The hazard warning lights are used to make other road users aware of our vehicle in hazardous situations. We can press the hazard warning light switch to switch on the hazard warning lights on or off as you need it. You will show this in the central command area, and of course you can see this on the turning lights around your car 360. If we brake hard at a high speed, the brake lights will flash and the hazard warning lights will come on automatically. And we can use the turn signals to indicate a change of direction or lane, even when the hazard warning lights are on. The hazard warning lights will be interrupted temporarily only. And the hazard warning lights also work when the ignition is switched off. That's really important, because if you have emergency situation, you can use these hazard warning lights too. If you completed all things and everything is safe again around you, you can switch off the hazard warning lights by pushing again on it. So you can see how it indicates and how it uses the hazard warning lights for emergency situations. In the central console, we have to switch for the hazard warning lights where we can operate with that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.